The cordless drill is a very versatile and handy power tool to have in the workshop as well as in the home. It can be used for a wide variety of applications, ranging from hanging pictures to making DIY crafts, amongst others. If you're an amateur or professional woodworker, it is a must-have woodworking tool that allows you to perform quick and easy and accurate drilling into wood. So if you're on the lookout for a high-quality cordless drill, we have got you covered. This video is going to cover and showcase some of the best cordless drills for your money. This Portacable cordless drill is a very competitive model with a rich set of features. It is powered by 20 volt 1.5 amp hour battery. With this kind of power, it can even be used as a heavy duty drill driver unit. And additionally, this model has a dual speed capacity of 0 to 400 RPM and 0 to 1600 RPM, making it excellent as both a drill device as well as a driver machine. This model sports a double-ended bit tip that grips on your drill bit shank more firmly and limits vibrations. One feature that we love about this model is the battery indicator gauge that shows you your battery life at all times. This is really handy and leaves no room for guesswork. This Makita has long been our favourite cordless drill for many reasons. It is a performing and heavy duty model that, despite its smaller 18 volt lithium battery, when compared to other more powerful models, is still quite performing and versatile on the job. It has great ergonomics and feels solid in the hand. It is definitely a professional drill, and you know it the moment you hold this device. This model can perform two variable speeds of 0 to 600 RPM and 0 to 1900 RPM. Making it ideal as both a drill driver as well as a drilling machine. It is very versatile and can easily adapt to your work and material. This unit comes with extreme protection technology, which is a way of protecting the inner parts of this device from dust and humidity. It is definitely one of the best 18 volt cordless drills out there. We've always liked power tools from Worx. They make high quality power tools that are durable and long lasting. And this Worx switch driver 2-in-1 certainly is no different from this tradition. It has excellent build quality and is a professional grade cordless drill. This little beast is powered by performing 20 volt lithium battery that has the quick charge functionality. This means that this battery can quickly and easily be charged in under 30 minutes. It is the lightest cordless drill so far, and along with great handling and ergonomics, it is an extremely manoeuvrable and powerful unit. But it doesn't stop there. This is a 2-in-1 model that performs both as a drill driver as well as a fastening device. This Dewalt is at the midpoint between the two Dewalt cordless drills in this video that I've talked about. It has the right balance between performance, build construction as well as versatility. It is a compact and fairly lightweight model weighing only 3.6 pounds, and its small factor means that it is ideal for working in tight spots. Under the hood lies an equally performing 20 volt lithium ion battery that is excellent for drilling in almost any type of material. From low density softwood to high density hardwood, it will not struggle or stall and delivers a smooth and consistent performance. We've long admired this Dewalt. It is a professional grade drill offered at a fairly affordable price. It is not as powerful as the other Dewalts reviewed in this video, but it does have some very competitive and appealing features, especially if you're on a tight budget. It sports a smaller 18 volt lithium ion battery that is still quite performing, especially when used as a drill machine. It is fairly compact, and with any other Dewalt cordless drill, the handles are coated with a soft rubber material that makes it very comfortable to hold, even for long hours. The only caveat we have with this model is its fairly heavy weight of 5.2 pounds. This is still a decent weight, but compared to other models, it is relatively heavy. Nothing that will affect performance or usability though. This Black & Decker cordless drill is much more affordable than the Dewalts that I've talked about. However, it still sports very competitive features that make it worthy of consideration. For one, this cordless drill sports a 20 volt lithium ion battery that has plenty of performance for almost any type of drilling or fastening tasks. It is fairly lightweight, measuring only 3.5 pounds, and it has an excellent handling and ergonomics form factor. What we like about this 20 volt cordless drill is its variable speed control. It can perform a decent 0 to 600 RPM, and the variable speed is controlled by applying a different pressing force to the trigger. This model has the power and speed to perform a smooth and polished drill in wood, plastic, and even thin sheets of soft metal. And lastly, we have this Dewalt. It is a professional grade device that sports a performing 20 volt 1.5 lithium ion battery. The powerful motor sends enough torque to the spindle, allowing this unit to deliver an impressive maximum speed of 2000 RPM. Additionally, this 20 volt cordless drill has a 2-speed variable speed control of 0 to 600 RPM and 0 to 2000 RPM. It allows this Dewalt cordless drill to be versatile for both fastening and drilling applications. Charging time is excellent. The 20 volt battery can be fully charged in around 30 minutes, and you can even purchase a secondary battery pack and not be delayed with your work. And lastly, this model has an excellent ergonomic and holds well in the hand. Dewalt uses this iconic soft rubber touch on the handles, making them really comfortable to hold, even for long hours. They do a very good job to limit hand fatigue, regardless of your hand size. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any more information on these cordless drills, be sure to go over to our blog, thewoodworkingtoolkit.com, where you can find out all the information you need and go ahead and purchase the one that you'd like. Thank you so much for watching.